Welcome back to episode 3 of Shop Upgrades, the series where we make our shop cooler, and in this case, brighter and a little more science-y. Today we got 2 new upgrades. The first one, we're adding some lighting to our Bambu Labs A1 with the Panda Aura. And the other one is a new rig for our force meter. I'm Brian DeLuca and this is MakerBuildIt, and if you're new to the channel, once a month we do a shop upgrades video where we talk about the new technology or items we're adding to our makerspace. And today we got 2 really cool improvements. One is lighting based and the other one is for our force meter, which is really going to help with some of the tests we have coming up. Now let's get started with the shiny stuff. Now this is the BQ Aura kit for the A1. The tagline says light up a new frontier, and that is actually accurate here, because this turns your printer into a tiny futuristic command center. The kit comes with the lighting unit, mounting hardware, wiring, stickies and screws, and a guarantee that your A1 is about to look way cooler. This is the scientific glow I needed. This thing looks like it's about to take off. And honestly, the lights make you feel like a cooler maker. It's a vibe upgrade. Okay, enough with the lights. Let's get even nerdier. This is sick. This bad boy is the MXMoonFree manual force test stand. All we do is we mount our force meter right here. And then we're able to attach various different items in order to gauge how much force it takes to do things like pull them apart. Now this is going to be huge in our testing of our 3D printed parts. And I have a really special test planned for the use of this force meter stand. Let me show you our other one. So this is the other one we have. And you see here, this one has the force meter here. This force meter is just going to get mounted onto the top right here. And that's how it's going to work. Basically, these types of stands help turn your workshop into a minis material lab. So if you're interested in testing things like materials, glues, these things are perfect. It's perfect for testing how strong your 3D prints really are, testing your snap fits, comparing different types of filament material, and testing glues for things like the Glue Olympics. If you haven't seen the video on the Glue Olympics, I will link it below, and you can see how complicated we get with some of our glue tests. Now this really offers 2 things, controlled compression and pull testing. So instead of using your hands like I do in the snap test, this actually gives us repeatability, which is more science-esque. We're going to run some new glue and filament tests on these, so make sure you like and follow so you don't miss them. These 2 upgrades work on both ends for maker life. RGB lighting makes your workshop look great, and the force stand makes your results real, measurable, and scientific. One makes your shop a little bit cooler, and the other one makes your shop a little bit smarter. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow MakerBuildIt, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and remember, progress doesn't happen by accident, it happens in your workshop.